Shifting our focus to breaking news that's coming in from the state of Bengal. There's a fresh TMC versus BJP face-off in Bengal, with the TMC now claiming that Abhishek Banerjee's chopper was raided. Yes, you heard that right. So the TMC is saying that this chopper was searched by income tax department officials, and there were threats given by IT officials to detain the chopper illegally. The Trinamool Congress is now alleging that this is nothing but an intimidation tactic by the Bharatiya Janata Party. We have Shreya joining us on this newscast. Shreya, fresh front there opened by the TMC against the BJP, claiming that there is an attempt by the BJP to carry out raids via income tax officials. Tell us about this particular raid that the TMC is talking about.
You know, of course, we have seen that the TMC party have time and again said that it is the BJP who uses the central agencies to target the opposition. Now, today, Abhishek Banerjee's chopper was raided by the IT team. This is what the TMC alleges at this point in time. When the chopper was taking a trial run in Behala Flying Club, that is the time when TMC says that a group of IT officials, they have reached the spot and searched the chopper, and they say, in fact, it was a very thorough search. Every nook and corner of the chopper was searched, every bag was opened, and when they could not find anything, they didn't even let the chopper have a trial run. It was not, let to fly. Now, when the security personnel of Abhishek Banerjee questioned the IT official, that is the time when they threatened to detain the chopper illegally, says TMC. In fact, there was a verbal spat that was followed between this IT official and the security personnel of
These allegations by the Trinamool Congress have been made on Twitter, with leader after leader of the Trinamool Congress coming out and talking about how security personnel were restrained during these raids that took place at the Behala Flying Club. I'd like to go across to my colleague Priya, who's joining us from the newsroom, where we'll tell you what TMC leaders are claiming. Priya.
Right. Now, before I go to the tweets, let me tell our viewers, there is no visual evidence to corroborate the claims that are being made by the TMC. And why is that? Because TMC says that while they did, in fact, film the entire fracas. Okay, we'll have to go across to Group Editor-in-Chief Navika Kumar, who's got